Hey there, grower. If you love what we do here on The Grow, we now have a way for our followers to upgrade to believers. So what exactly are believers? It's a way for you to get even closer to the action and get some cool perks while supporting what we do. As a believer member, you're helping us continue creating the educational content, experiments, and grow tips we love sharing with you. Why are memberships important to us? Well, it allows us to keep improving, experimenting, and bringing you even more indoor growing content. It's also a great way for us to show appreciation to you, our most dedicated fans, by offering perks that make your experience even better. Here's what you get as a member: loyalty badges to show your support, special emojis to use in comments and chats, priority replies to your comments from us, early access to new videos, and member-only polls where you can help us decide what's coming next to our channel. We truly appreciate every bit of support, and being a believer means you're part of the On The Grow community. So if you want early access to content, exclusive perks, and priority comment replies, join us today. Happy growing, believers.